Okay, in this problem, we're asked to calculate the molarity of an ethyl alcohol solution. We're given the molality and the molar mass and the density of the solution. So let's go ahead and break this problem apart. Molarity is going to be moles of ethanol. We're going to represent ethanol by ETOH, another representation of ethanol. Moles of ethanol over liters of ethanol solution. We're given the molality of our ethanol solution. So that means that we have 8.92 moles of ethanol per 1 kilogram of solvent. And our solvent in this case is water. Our solute is ethanol. Okay, so per 1 kilogram of water. Our molar mass is 46.08 grams per mole. Density of our ethanol solution is 0.927 grams of ethanol per 1 mil of ethanol solution. Okay, so first thing, if we look at this closely, molality, molarity is moles of ethanol per liters of ethanol solution. Okay, and we're given our molality, which is 8.92 moles of ethanol per 1 kilogram of water. Okay, and remember that liters of solution is water plus ethanol. Okay, do we have our moles of our ethanol solution, ethanol? Yes, we do. We have our moles. Half the problem is done. We know that this numerator is 8.92 moles. Okay, but we need to calculate molarity, so we need to be able to find our liters of our ethanol solution, which I'm going to show in the next video. Okay, so we were given 1 kilogram of water from the molarity. We're going to convert that to grams. Remember that there's 1,000 grams in 1 kilogram. So this gives us 1,000 grams of water. We need to determine our grams of ethanol. We have 8.92 moles of ethanol. We can determine the grams by multiplying by the molar mass, which was given in the problem. So this gives us 411.03 grams of ethanol. Now we're going to add up these masses to get the total grams of solution. So this will give us 1,000 grams plus 411.03 grams. So this would be 1411.03 grams of ethanol solution. Okay, but we need to convert these grams to liters. So how are we going to do that? We're going to have to use our density. Okay, so we start off with our 1411.03 grams of ethanol. We're going to use our density. We know that for every 0.927 grams of ethanol, there's 1 ml of ethanol, and for every 1 ml of ethanol, there's 10 to the negative 3 liters. So this equals 1.522 liters of ethanol solution. I put a line underneath the 2 because we're going to leave off at 3 significant figures. Okay, so now we can determine the concentration or the molarity of our ethanol by taking 8.92 moles of ethanol and dividing it by 1.522 liters of ethanol solution. So this will equal 5.86 molar.